Good morning, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the journey. It is August 22nd, it is Tuesday. Um, this is the ES Charts 2000 tick interval. And yeah, so let's get into it. This is what the market looked like when I opened it up on NinjaTrader. As you can see the past day. You can see where I made my trade. And you can see where it started off. We shot up starting yesterday and then kind of went up and then dropped down slightly pre-market and then dropped up and then went up right after, pretty straight up. And now you can see currently we're sitting down and starting to trend down a little bit. So yeah, let's get it all sped up here and then we'll go through the trade I took. I did take a trade today. It was a loss of a trade, but it was a loss because I got scared. But we'll go into it here soon. But let's just go through the first kind of stuff, and I'll speed it up for you so we can get to my trade. So yeah, as you can see, we're trading up, starting to head down towards the downside, and nothing really I can see. I didn't really do any of my trend lines just yet because one, I just got on and I was super tired again when I got up this morning, so didn't really do anything. I thought I might have been trading sideways because it started entering this little range, so I thought maybe it started going sideways, but then it just kind of dropped down out of that little range and started to completely start to go down. So so right now, I couldn't really tell. Maybe it was just another giant trading range, but this has been the trend. Each day it opens up pre-market, like it just trends up and then kind of goes down. So it looked kind of similar to yesterday, where it kind of opened in a little range, a big giant range. So I thought that's kind of what it was doing today, but then I realized there's a bigger downtrend going down. So that quite possibly could have been it, but again, not too sure. Didn't know exactly where to put it, but I was looking for second entry shorts, and maybe failed second entry longs, but couldn't really get any of those. Well, at least I didn't see anything that I liked. Again, kind of confusing this morning because now I'm expecting. See, I broke my channel. Now I'm expecting it to make a new low, but I don't know if I think we did get the new low, but this is where my first trade of the day was coming up. I took I think it was a second entry short. I'm gonna have to double check here as it comes up, but I'll slow it down because I think I took a second entry short. Or no, it was a failed. I think it was a failed second entry long. Again, but this is where we gotta talk about it because. So I took this trade. One, I don't even know if I should have taken this trade. There was really no clear sign. I think I was just too tired to really tell. But I, for some reason, just got too scared and didn't sit through the whole trade. And I ended up closing myself out. Not at my full stop, but just a little bit where I didn't lose that much money. But if I didn't close out where I did, my trade would have worked out, and I would have got my 4 contracts, my 4 ticks. And that just goes to show, like, no matter what, just stay in the trade. Just stay in the trade, because, you could, you have the possibility of making it. Even if it was a bad trade, like, it's still possible that there's always that chance, there's always that, like, moment. But if you pull out, you never know. And then if it does end up not working out for you, then you did something wrong, then you got to go back and analyze. And even if you go back and analyze and it's like, oh, it was right, but it still worked out, hey, you lose some. So what I should have done here is just let it go, let it play out, and just dealt with the consequences of my actions and just deal with it. But I didn't. I was like, I got too scared, and I stopped myself out and lost when I could have, in reality, gained a lot more. So just goes to show I should just followed through with my decision and just wrote it out. You know, if it ended up stopping me out even more, then hey, I'd still have my consequences. But it would have went on to what's it called? Fill my order and hit my 4 ticks, and I think I eventually went down further than that. But after that, I was kind of just like thinking to myself, like, man, like I'm so dumb, you know? Like, I was just so dumb. I should have just stayed in the trades, should have just left it, and that's what I'm gonna do for now. And like in any trade I make, I'm not gonna be scared. I'm not gonna pull out early. I'm not gonna do any of this stuff. I'm just gonna let it play out and just deal with the consequences of my actions, and deal with the the um the outcome is. But yeah. So after that, I really didn't do too much. It kind of just started going down. I think it did end up breaking this channel. I don't know. After that too, I was kind of tired, and I decided, like, I'm just gonna get off because I needed to take a little mental break because it was starting to get to me a little bit. And yeah, I got off, and then just went to the gym after that because um, I just need to take a little break. So tomorrow I'm gonna rest up, get some good sleep tonight. Attack tomorrow, head on. Hopefully, I won't be as tired as I was this morning, but I'm gonna attack tomorrow, full force, and then see what I see. I'm gonna stay on for the whole hour and a half that I have to trade in the morning, and we're gonna make a good trade. We're gonna bounce back from today. But as always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I do enjoy reading everybody's comments, so please, if you want any suggestions or anything to say, go ahead and leave it. But I'll leave my old videos right here, and then the subscribe button right here. And yeah, so I hope everybody has a great day, and everybody that did trade today made some good trades. Yeah, I'll catch everybody in the next one tomorrow morning. Peace.